What's up, guys? Well, today you can see right here, officer kills driver while hanging on truck. Now the article said he was dragged by the truck. He's not. He's on the running board. You can see he's on the running board. This has got to stop. You are not supposed to be able to put yourself in harm's way and then shoot your way out of it. But the more females that they hire that can't go hands-on and they just soon shoot you, the more big fat cops that they hire that aren't going to chase you more than 3 feet because they'd be out of breath, so they just soon shoot you, the more of this is going to happen. This has got to stop. So let's see what's going on in Milwaukee. Oh, and then they said, well, the suspect had a parole violation. Did they know that before? And if he did, parole violation is not a death sentence. Anyway, Milwaukee, that's where we're at right now.
A Milwaukee police officer shoots and kills a man he was trying to arrest.
Dash camera video shows the officer clinging to the side of the suspect's truck before the officer opened fire to stop him. It happened around 10 o'clock this morning near 15th and Grant on Milwaukee's south side.
A News Chopper 12 with an exclusive look from above over the scene. An officer with a police dog sniffing around the truck there. The truck still...
You see the dog over here? The dog wants no part of that truck. The dog isn't even walking to that truck, but they'll drag that dog over there and make him sniff it.
In the middle of the street, surrounded by squad cars.
12 News' Nick Bohr is there live now, and Nick, we have just learned the man's name.
Right, he's been identified by family as 35-year-old Jonathan Otto. They shared a photo with us. According to the police chief, the police officer was accompanying a probation agent trying to arrest Otto for a probation violation. Police say Otto refused to get out of his tow truck. That's the white one there that actually is being towed itself right now. When the police officer tried to pull him from his tow truck, he sped off, police say, with the officer still attached to the side of the truck.
Why was the officer on the side of the truck to begin with? Open the door. Because typically they want you out of the vehicle anyway because they don't know what you have in there. So that's like a staircase is a fatal funnel. That's like a fatal funnel. He's standing on the side of a truck and all that guy has to do is grab a firearm and it's over.
A remarkable sight for Ana Rios of Milwaukee. Stopped at a stop sign this morning.
Ridiculous.
When she couldn't believe her eyes.
There's this tow truck coming with a cop hanging from the window screaming at the guy to stop, but he did not listen.
The video from her dad's
screaming at him to stop it. He did not listen. Nope.
Dash cam recorded the speeding truck as it blew through a stop sign. The officer clinging to the driver's side window, his feet on the running board.
Clinging, excuse me, he had no business being there.
It was very shocking to see that. Like, his life was in danger. The cop that he was hanging out of the window, he could have fell.
His life was in danger. So was the driver of the truck's life. The cop put himself in harm's way. No.
Something, you know?
Seconds later, Milwaukee police say the officer, fearing for his life, shot the...
That's it. That's the magic word. Fear for my life.
Driver, the truck coming to a halt. Another witness said the officer immediately tried to help him.
His partner...
Now, what happens if he shoots the guy and the guy slumps over and more pressure is put on the gas pedal? How does that play out for the dumbass cop?
And him taking him out and putting him on. They got him in the ground, and the guy, what I recorded was the guy giving him CPR, and there was a lady in a passenger. I don't know who she was, but she was distraught.
Pizarro said it was the stunning end to an even more stunning sight as the tow truck whizzed by him seconds earlier.
You can only see things like this in movies. He was just hanging on... barely, I don't know how in the world, because he blew past me.
Because his feet were on a running board, that's how.
About 50. Okay? And the cop was just barely hanging to the window, to the driver window side. How he was hanging, I don't even know.
The driver, who later died, has been identified by family as 35-year-old Jonathan Otto. The officer survived the ordeal with minor injuries. Otto's passenger wasn't hurt.
There is a responsibility to cooperate. There was a legitimate action going on at this time. Not only was the officer in danger, but so was the passenger. Unacceptable.
So, Nick, at this moment, so many questions. What have you learned about Otto's record at this point?
Well, we know that he was on probation at the time. A couple of cases involving driving stolen vehicles, one of them in Brookfield, another in the city of Milwaukee. Moments ago, we did speak with Otto's mother here at the scene about his criminal record.
I'm not making excuses or anything like that. But again, his record is all fleeing and eluding. They're aware of that. That's what he was in jail for, fleeing and eluding.
Still not a death sentence.
And why did the gun come out?
Now, I did ask the police chief if the officer was able to possibly jump off or if he was entangled in that truck at the time. He said that remains under investigation.
No, he had no business being up there.
At this point, it is still unclear. The entire incident being investigated by the Milwaukee area investigative team. That investigation being led by West Allis Police tonight.
All right, Nick Bohr there reporting for us live near 15th and Grant in Milwaukee. Nick, thank you.
The police union late this afternoon releasing a statement saying, quote, situations involving vehicles are among the most dangerous encounters officers face, and they can escalate to life-threatening circumstances within seconds. It goes on to say these incidents serve as a powerful reminder that Milwaukee police officers face unpredictable and serious dangers every day while protecting this community.
Please stop.
Welcome to the...
Hold on.
A Milwaukee police officer...
Well, if the suspect was trying to not go back to jail or prison, he sure succeeded. We're going to get here all the bootlickers. Seeing this mom explains everything, and her not asking why her kid didn't stop shows the kind of mom she is. No. Guess he won't do that again. Did she really need to ask why the gun came out? Wow, yes. Why did the gun come out? Taser. Grand Theft Auto. Saved us probably millions of dollars, and other crimes or trash has been dumped. Nope. When he blew through the stop sign, he was endangering the public. Kid on a bicycle or anyone else could get killed, and you think that he's going to stop then? Thank goodness the officer is okay, the dumbass officer. Play stupid games, win jacketed hollow point prizes. The mother thinks his history of fleeing and eluding should entitle him to flee and elude more. Unbelievable. No, she's saying that they knew what his... So why would they be on the side of a vehicle if they knew he would flee and elude? The guy shouldn't have been out of jail anyways. Keep these people in prison. We don't want them out on our streets. Why did the gun come out? Well, Mom, you see, your son was driving Mach 1 with a cop clinging on for life to his tow truck. Yeah, the cop had no business being there. So his mother's trying to say that it's the cop's fault. So we see where he got his criminal mindset. No, it was... They keep putting themselves in harm's way and then shooting their way out of it. Are there people that seriously think we're supposed to have a problem with this? Yes, I think we are. Families making excuses. Thank you, officer. When you hear the mother speak, you've heard the whole problem. Nope. Can't see a problem here. Give the officer a weekend off and a little bonus. Really? Back on Monday, refresh and on a roll. Well done, officer. Glad the bullet didn't go through and hurt the passenger. The magic of hollow point bullets that often stay where they belong. Stop. Unbelievable. Everybody keeps saying, why did the gun come out? Why did the gun come out? My prayers, be safe, God bless. Who let Otto out of jail? Shame on you, judge. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Fleeing from police in a vehicle should be attempted murder. No. Job well done, officer. Great job, sir. The comments are so great. Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, like 82% of people, I don't know if I said it earlier, that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button. It's free. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.